Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Discord. Whenever you try to update the app, you got the error update failed and you keep on getting the endless loop. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Open up your web browser and you need to download Discord web version from its official website. Download it into your PC. Wait for it to finish the downloading process. Once the Discord is downloaded, at this point of time, you need to do two processes one by one. So listen carefully. First one is right in this Discord setup, simply double click to run it. Now once you it will automatically start to update and in turns fix out the issue of Discord update failed or endless loop. Now here is second step. If this method doesn't help you fix out the issue of update failed, first of all, go ahead and you need to exit the Discord even from the system tray icon. Go ahead and click on the option quit Discord. Once it is closed, now right click on Discord setup and choose the option run as administrator. Hit the yes button to continue. Now at this point of time, again I am telling you, you need to proceed with two different steps. If you simply double click and run it, it started to update, it is well and good. If it doesn't, you need to first of all exit it from the system tray. Then right click on this Discord setup and choose the option run as administrator. These two different ways will help you fix out the issue of Discord update failed. Now if this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the second step. Right click on start menu, choose the option run, type here percentage local app data percentage and then hit the enter key. Here first of all click on this view tab and make sure under the show option you must check mark the option hidden files, so that if any file is hidden, it will be visible right in this folder. Now here press the D key to find Discord folder. Open it and here you will find a file with the name update. Go ahead, right click and choose the option rename and give it a name updater. Once you rename it, hit the enter key. Once you rename this particular file, again come back to the setup and proceed with the step number 1. First of all, double click to run the setup. If this doesn't fix, right click on the setup and choose the option run as administrator to update your Discord app. If this method also failed to work out, again you need to open this particular folder of the Discord and whatever files or folders are present over here, select all of them, right click and choose the option delete. Now click on local folder. Now here in this address bar, click on this app data to open roaming folder. Open it and again find Discord folder and whatever files are present right over here, select all of them, right click and choose the option delete. Once deleted, again proceed with the same steps which I have shown you in the method 1. Right click and choose the option run as administrator. If this method fix out the update, it is well and good. If this doesn't, simply double click on this setup to run the Discord setup without admin rights and this will fix out the issue of Discord update failed or endless loop. Now if this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Make sure to close the Discord during each step. If you have installed any third-party antivirus, especially Kaspersky, you need to disable it. First of all, open the Kaspersky, head over to Settings, General and Self-Defense tab and uncheck the option as Save. Now you need to proceed with this installation directory and whatever the files present in this particular folder with the name report, you need to delete all these files. And make sure before deleting, you completely disable and exit the Kaspersky, as these files inside the folder report will not be deleted. Once deleted, you can again open Kaspersky, proceed with same self-defense option and you can again check it. And nextly is head over to settings menu. In this left pane, click on the option network and internet, scroll down and click on the option proxy. Now if you have turned on proxy server, make sure you turn it off. I have already turned it off, that's why it is asking me to set up. So if you have turned on any proxy server, you make sure that you should turn this proxy server off and then try to update the Discord to fix out the issue of Discord update failed. If all the method fails, the last step you have is to right click on start menu, choose the option run, type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now whatever your Wi-Fi is, right click and choose option properties. Here first of all uncheck TCP IP v6, then click on the option TCP IP v4. Double click to open it and choose the second option, which is DNS server. We are going to use the Google DNS server, so type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate 8.8.4.4. Now hit the OK button, again hit OK. Now click on Start menu, type cmd, run cmd as an administrator, type here command ipconfig /flush DNS and hit the enter key. Once this is done, go ahead and relaunch the Discord, and this will completely fix out the issue of Discord update failed or endless loop. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.